Join me as I challenge myself to kickstart my own AI business today, and I'll show you every step I take along the way. Starting an AI business in 2025 is more accessible than ever, with numerous resources and tools available to help you succeed. People often think they need to be tech experts or have a lot of money to start an AI business, but that's just not true. Many successful AI entrepreneurs have started with little to no technical experience and knowledge and limited resources. Lack of technical skills or resources is a common misconception that holds people back from starting their own AI ventures. You can learn as you go, and there are many online courses and tutorials that can help you to get started. Fear of failure is another misconception that prevents people from taking the leap. Failure is an inevitable part of the learning process, and it's often a stepping stone to success. Having a solid business plan and a clear understanding of your target market can help mitigate the risk of failure. You don't need to have all the answers, but you do need to be willing to learn and adapt as you go along. There are many actionable steps you can take to start your AI business, from taking online courses to joining AI communities and forums. You can start by learning the basics of machine learning and deep learning, and then move on to more advanced topics. After all, this is all new. The AI technology industry is relatively new in the last few years, so there aren't books going back ages. The content and knowledge available in the marketplace is available online. Online courses like Coursera and Udemy offer a wide range of AI-related courses from beginner to advanced levels. And we also offer courses as well. You'll see from the link at the end of this video, if you go to alpusonlineai.com, and you can see what we actually offer to help you start or grow your AI business. You can also use tools like Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure to build and deploy your AI models. Additionally, joining AI communities and forums can connect you with other AI enthusiasts and entrepreneurs, providing valuable support and resources. A great example of someone who started an AI business with minimal resources is an entrepreneur, Simon Coulson, who built a successful internet business school from scratch. He started by learning the basics of natural language processing and then developed from there. But Simon is not an AI person. He's a businessman, and he sells the expertise that he promotes from within his organization. He uses one guy in particular, Stas Prokofiev, who's a chatbot expert, and he offers AI, as does Simon, and also other people within the Internet Business School community. Simon continued to learn and improve his skills, but essentially he's a businessman, and he's using AI resources that are the expertise of others. So the testament is, you don't need a lot of AI skills yourself. You need the business ideas, the business strategy, and the willingness to learn as you go along and to deploy resources that you can buy in. So starting an AI business is achievable for anyone in 2025, and it's an exciting opportunity to be part of a rapidly growing industry. So we're partners with the Internet Business School, that's Simon Coulson, and also with Stas Prokofiev from Clients and Consulting, and we also partner with Jay Hastings of Serious About Success. If you'd like to know anything more about AI to help you to grow or start or grow your business in 2025, then don't hesitate to contact me, that's Alan at Alpus Group, on 07539141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539141257, or the landline 0333224127. From outside the UK, that's +44 333 You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusonlineai.com or alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.